Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. So this package I recently got from Net-a-Porter. I don't know if I never know if I say it right? Because some people say Net-a-Porter, some people say Net-a-Porter, one of the two. Either way, that is where I got this item, and usually I love how it ships. That's why I decided that I was going to show you guys like the shipping. So it came in this box, and then the inside, it usually comes with like this beautiful black tissue paper. You can always opt to have a more luxurious kind of box. I think it comes in a black box with the black tissue. Black is the color you're gonna get. This is just the receipt. It says open me immediately, and again you just get your receipt and a return shipping label if you decided that you didn't like the item and you wanted to return it. So let's open it up. I'm gonna save this, by the way, because it's perfect. So as you can see, it is from the brand Marni. I'm pretty sure that is how you pronounce it. So this brand is pretty much for like their weaved, not even weaved, it's like their small little tote bags. But I decided that I wanted a bigger kind of tote bag. Oh, it feels like, I love the feel of it. I will say this is very lightweight. Like, it's so light. At first I was confused when I got it in the box, like I received the box, because it was so light. Big but so light, and the bag is very light. I'm gonna have to look up, there's a little bit of a dent here, but as you can see, you can just squeeze it right out. I'm gonna have to see what this material is, because again, it's very lightweight. The interior looks like this. I'm just gonna pull this out. This is the interior of the bag. I just love the colors. Like, it's something that I knew I could wear in the summer, the winter, pretty much every single season, because it's such a neutral color. So let's see. The body is 100% cellulose. So that's what this is. Like the outside, I'm not sure what cellulose is. Like, I know I do fashion kind of videos, but I'm not gonna sit up here and lie to you and tell you that I know what like fabric is what material is what. I usually only know like leather pieces, but it does say that the interior is 100% calf leather. Trying to see if I can feel that. Huh, interesting. Unless they're talking about the straps, I don't really feel it. But do you guys hear that? That's the material. Either way, it's a very big bag. I really like it. I retail for this is like $420 if I'm not mistaken. But remember, luxury pieces go on sale. Like, they definitely go on sale. By the way, I just noticed that there's like a Marni little tag here. It's upside down. That does nothing for you. But it's a Marni tag, and this is definitely made in leather as opposed to the rest of the bag. I brought this laptop, and the reason why I brought it is because when I purchased this, like when I saw an image of it, I thought it was gonna be more like this. Do you see how wide that is? I thought it was gonna be more of a slim bag like that, but now I'm fine. I know that it's pretty wide, so my laptop will be able to fit in it like easily. Do you guys see that? So easy, and there's so much room. That was one of my concerns, so that's why I wanted to check it out. And it feels kind of sturdy, I will be honest. Feels pretty sturdy. I'm just not 100% sold on this material. I gotta like walk around with it a little bit because I'm not in love with the material at all. It's cute and whatever, but it feels like you know the brown paper bags that you get in the supermarket. It feels like that, but a little sturdier. So I'm not sure if I'm loving it, to be honest. I don't love it. But either way, I do love the look of it. So what I'll probably do, because I like how thick these straps are. Like they're nice and thick as opposed to my Neverfull GM. The straps aren't as thick. Yes, a lot of stuff fit in it, but my straps aren't as thick. But I like how thick this is. So I think I'm gonna, let me just play around with this bag a little bit. See, I don't know if I love, do you guys see how it just, I'm not sure if I'm loving it, guys. I'll be very, very honest. I don't think I love it because I don't, it feels a little flimsy. Do you guys see? Like, I'm not sure I love that. We'll see. I'll play around with it because I love the size of the tote. I like the straps on this tote, and I can't really use my Neverfull, and I want to go places and be able to bring a lot of stuff in it. So I'm looking for a new tote bag. Let me just play around with this bag. But yeah, that is my new handbag. Let me know your thoughts down below. And really quickly, another question that I get asked frequently, like a lot of people will ask me, they'll go in my DMs and ask me on Instagram. I get a lot of people that ask me if they can purchase my handbags. I want to be honest with you all and let you know that I don't sell my items. Usually when I buy them, I keep them with no intent in reselling, and that is my thinking and what I do now. It does not mean that later on down the road I may not change my mind. It's just that for now I just don't sell my items, and I wanted to put this out there because at times I'm like, I hope this person doesn't feel like I'm not gonna sell it to them. I just do not sell my items in general. You can always ask me questions about them, but if you ask me if I'll sell it to you, chances are in this moment, for the last few years, I won't. I do not sell my items, no matter what it is. I just don't. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up, which I probably said already, and subscribe down below. See you in the next video.